How to use Sample Campaign. There are 3 types of campaigns available in Feedback Central, including all campaigns, active campaigns, and sample campaigns. Sample campaigns are designed for trial users, specifically to help them to understand Feedback Central's features. Once they log into Feedback Central, trial users will be led to the Sample Campaigns folder to start the trial process. By clicking the settings next to the folder, trial users can also change the default folder. In the Sample Campaign folder, 2 email templates are available: Feedback Request and Review Request. The campaign status here is always shown as Test. Status column: Off, Inactive Email Test Process. On, Start Email Test Process. Settings column: follow the steps below to update and/or revise the information. Step 1. Click the Edit icon to change or enter the information required to send the test email. Step 2. Update the information and click the Save button. The updated test information will be synchronized on the General Settings page as well. You can view your information here: Feedback Central, then Settings, then General. Actions column: make a copy. Duplicate the template into the All Campaigns folder. View campaign. View the default campaign details. Once the setup above is confirmed, you can follow the steps below to complete the email test process. Step 1. When turning the switch on, the recipient of the test email and test email daily limit information will be displayed. Step 2. The pending email column shows how many pending emails there are to send to customers based on how many orders were selected. When you click the Send Test Email button, the recipient will receive the test email with the actual order information. When the configuration is still running, the recipient will receive an email with dummy data. If the user clicks the Send Test Email button. Step 3. After receiving the test email, you can click the Make a Copy button, select a marketplace, and duplicate the template into the All Campaigns folder. Step 4. The duplicated template in the All Campaigns folder will include copy and the corresponding number in the campaign name. The campaign status will remain as Test. We hope that you've enjoyed our How to Use Sample Campaign. If you have any questions, please email us at support@bqool.com. Thanks for watching.